Hello friends, I am Guna Madhivanan, Current Affairs Faculty at Offices IAS Academy. In this video, we will be discussing our 93rd Current Affairs headless topic, that is regarding Saubhagya. Friends, what is the aim of this Saubhagya scheme? This scheme aims to provide last mile power connectivity, which aims to provide last mile power connectivity to all willing households in both urban as well as rural areas. Saubhagya scheme aims to ensure last mile power connectivity for all willing households in both urban and rural areas. Friends, before introducing Saubhagya scheme, government came with one scheme called as Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana. The Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gram Jyoti Yojana was aiming for 100% rural electrification. 100% rural electrification. As per the definition provided by the government, a village will be considered to be 100% electrified when 10% of the household in that village plus all the government establishments are having power connectivity. That means if a village has 100 households, even if 10 households are getting power connection and all the government establishments, government schools, primary healthcare centers, Anganwadis, whatever, okay, VAO office, all the government establishments, if they have power supply. So, government establishments in that village has power supply and 10% of the houses are having power connectivity. In that situation, that village will be called as electrified. But however, think about the remaining 90 houses. The remaining 90 houses may not be having power connectivity, but still as per the definition, that village will be considered to be electrified. But what about Saubhagya scheme? The Saubhagya scheme aims to provide last mile power connectivity to all the willing households in both urban as well as rural areas. So, here a household, the remaining 90 households, among those 90, even if one household expresses their willingness, voluntarily they have to say, I am willing, I need power connection. If they express that willingness, then they have to be given power connection. That too, if they belong to below poverty line, if the rural urban masses, they belong to below poverty line, then power connection will be given at free of cost. Monthly EB bill they have to pay, but power connection will be given at free of cost. For people who are living above the poverty line, for them power connection will be given at 500 rupees per connection. People who are living above poverty line, for them, for 500 rupees power connection will be given. That 500 also they need not pay in one shot. That 500 rupees they can pay in 10 installments. So, people who are below poverty line, for them, if they express their willingness, power connectivity is given at free of cost. People above poverty line, if they express their willingness, for them power connectivity will be given by charging 500 rupees. That too, that 500 rupees can be paid in 10 installments. If some people who are living in inaccessible areas, maybe in a difficult terrain, right, they are living in an area where the population density is very low, they are living in hilltops where taking the power infrastructure to that last mile may not be practical. Someone who's, let's take a village, right, now there is a hill, there are some people who are living in the top of the hill. So, taking the power infrastructure transmission lines till the mountainous top, that is going to be difficult, may not be practical. Sometimes it may be practical, but sometimes it will be very difficult. In that situation, under this program, solar packs will be given. Solar packs, battery, charger, some DC run fans, some solar run lights, those will be given so that they are getting access to some sort of power connection. This is the aim of Saubhagya scheme. This scheme is to ensure electrification of all willing households in rural as well as urban areas, launched in 2017 to provide last mile connectivity to achieve universal household electrification in the country. Which is a nodal agency? Rural Electrification Corporation Limited is the nodal agency of Saubhagya. So, beneficiaries will be selected with the help of socio-economic caste census, that is below poverty line, above poverty line people will be identified based on this. So, as I said, the people who are coming above poverty line, for them connection will be given for 500 rupees. For others it will be, for below poverty line people it will be given at free of cost. So, people who are living in inaccessible areas, for them solar power packs with the battery bank will be, and LED lights, DC fan, DC power plug, all those will be given under this Saubhagya scheme. Ultimately it aims to ensure electrification of all willing households. To achieve universal household electrification in the country is the aim of this Saubhagya scheme. Right friends? So, why it was in news? So, it completed 3 years. So, 2,62 lakh households have been provided electricity connection so far, that is why it was in news. Now, based on our discussion, I have given a question here, find out the right answer and give your answer in the comment section. I hope you like this video series. Alright, so here I have given the features of my exclusive current affairs program. I have given the features of my exclusive program. What I am doing in YouTube, the 200 hit list videos are different. Here it is an exclusive current affairs program where I will be covering 1 year's current affairs. If you are interested, you can go through. It will be a live online session. Recorded videos will also be given. You can watch it according to your convenience. Any clarity, you can call to the number given here. Right friends, tomorrow I will meet you with another exciting, important, interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye.